Hello, now let's solve this problem. Now solve 9 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of y equals to 243 and 3 raised to the power of x minus y equals to 3. Now let's pick the first equation. We have 9 raised to the power of x times 3 raised to the power of y equals to 243. Now you express 9 in index form and this 243 in index form. Now 9 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 2. So the 2 will multiply x here. So times 3 raised to the power of y equals to, now this is 3 raised to the power of 5. Alright, so we'll be applying this law. X raised to the power of m times x raised to the power of n equals to x raised to the power of m plus n. Alright, to join this together. Alright, so this turns to 3 raised to the power of 2x plus y equals to 3 raised to the power of 5. Alright, now we have equal base, so then we can equate the powers. So we have 2x plus y equals to 5. So we call this equation 1. Alright, now let's look at the second one. Now when you look at this, the power of this is 1, power of 3 is 1, power of 3 here is x minus y. So since the base are equal, so you can equate the powers. So we have x minus y equals to 1. So you call this equation 2. So we now have two equations. Now the next thing is to add the two equations together. Alright, so add equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. So now let's add. Now x plus 2x, that gives us 3x. Now y plus minus y, that gives us 0. Okay, equals to, so you add this and this, so 1 and 5, that gives us 6. Okay, so you can divide both sides by 3 now. So we have x equals to 6 over 3. So x equals to 2. So now let's move to equation 1. We now say from 1. So we have 2x, x is 2, 2x. That's 2 times 2 plus y equals to 5. So now this is 4 plus y equals to 5. So we have y equals to 5 minus 4. Y equals to 1. So therefore, x comma y is equals to 2 comma 1. So this is going to be the answer to the problem. Hope we've learned one or two things. Thanks for watching.